What if I told you that most of the internet you browse every day isn't actually real? That the comments you read, the posts you see, even the people you interact with online might just be sophisticated bots pretending to be human? Welcome to the dead internet theory, one of the most unsettling conspiracy theories of our digital age. The dead internet theory claims that somewhere around 2016 or 2017, the internet as we knew it died. Not literally, of course, but in terms of authentic human participation. According to this theory, the vast majority of online content is now generated by artificial intelligence, bots, and algorithms, all designed to create the illusion of a thriving, human-driven internet. This theory first emerged on the anonymous image board 4chan around 2021, but it quickly spread across social media platforms. The original post painted a dystopian picture where governments and corporations use AI to manufacture fake engagement, fake conversations, and fake culture to manipulate public opinion and keep people scrolling. But where does this idea come from? The theory points to several concerning trends. First, there's the undeniable rise of bot activity online. Studies suggest that bots account for anywhere from 25 to 50% of all internet traffic. That's a staggering number when you think about it. Every second click, every other view, might not be human. Then there's the explosion of AI-generated content. We've seen AI create everything from news articles to social media posts, from artwork to music. Large language models can now write convincingly human-like text, making it increasingly difficult to distinguish between human and machine-generated content. The theory also points to the homogenization of online culture. Have you noticed how similar memes, trends, and conversations seem across different platforms? Dead internet theorists argue this isn't organic human behavior, but the result of algorithms pushing the same content everywhere. Social media engagement patterns fuel these suspicions too. The rise of engagement farms, where thousands of fake accounts like, share, and comment on content to boost visibility, has made authentic interaction harder to identify. When a post gets thousands of likes, but only a handful of genuine comments, it raises questions about what's real. Search engines have changed dramatically as well. Many people report that Google searches now return increasingly generic, SEO-optimized content, rather than the diverse, authentic web pages of the past. The internet feels more sanitized, more corporate, less wild and unpredictable than it once was. But here's where we need to separate legitimate concerns from conspiracy thinking. While bot activity is definitely real and growing, the idea that the entire internet is fake goes too far. Real humans are still creating content, having conversations, and building communities online every day. What we're actually seeing is a more complex phenomenon. The internet has become increasingly commercialized and automated, but it's not dead. Instead, we're witnessing the collision between human creativity and artificial intelligence, between authentic expression and algorithmic optimization. The rise of AI content isn't necessarily sinister either. Many legitimate businesses use AI to help with customer service, content creation, and data analysis. The problem isn't AI itself, but the lack of transparency about when and how it's being used. So what's the truth? The internet isn't dead, but it has definitely changed. Bot traffic is real and significant. AI-generated content is everywhere and growing. Algorithms do shape what we see and how we interact online. These aren't conspiracy theories, they're documented realities of our digital world. The dead internet theory resonates because it captures something many of us feel, that online spaces don't feel as authentic or human as they once did. Social media platforms prioritize engagement over genuine connection. Search results feel more commercialized. Online discussions often seem repetitive or artificial, but instead of seeing this as evidence of a grand conspiracy, we might view it as the natural evolution of a technology that's become central to human communication. The challenge isn't that the internet is dead, but that we need to become more aware of how AI and automation shape our online experiences. The real question isn't whether the internet is alive or dead, but how we can maintain human authenticity in an increasingly automated digital world. Understanding these technologies and their limitations helps us navigate online spaces more thoughtfully and seek out genuine human connection wherever it exists. The dead internet theory might be an oversimplification, but it's asking the right questions about authenticity, manipulation, and human agency in our digital age.